Templates are a great way to help users maintain consistency when creating SOLIDWORKS documents. Within templates, users can include different settings and parameters such as units, precisions, custom properties, and more. But in order to use templates, they must be set up correctly first. The templates we see when creating new documents are found in the file locations we point to in our system settings. You can also hover your mouse over each template to see where these files exist. This file location should look very familiar because it should be the one in your system options. When we come to our system options and go to file locations, notice that we have that Program Data SOLIDWORKS 2024 Templates folder location. Any folder locations that do not consist templates will not show up on our Documents page. If users want to add template locations, they can do so by selecting Add and browsing to that location. Or you can add templates to existing file locations. If you have multiple versions of SOLIDWORKS installed on your machine, be careful to make sure you're pointing to the correct version. Sometimes templates are stored on network locations, but performance is always best when stored locally. If you'd like to see all of the things file locations are required for, you can do so by changing the drop-down at the top of the System Options File Locations window. You can change all of your file locations at once by selecting Edit All. Simply double-clicking will allow you to browse, or you can change them manually. Set up your file locations to use templates today and see how much time you can save.